What's up? Welcome back. Today I have to prep for Saturday. I've got my buddy Chris coming over to help me power up this AC unit. But first things first, today I need to run wiring from my panel all the way to the back corner of the garage, which requires me to clean out this mess. Step one, get rid of all of this. Step two, drill holes and get the wiring run. Step three, set up the breaker panel outside. Step four, mount the panel guide, whatever it's called, where is it? The cardboard cutout they've got for you for the head unit for the AC. We've got to get that mounted as well. Then we're done until Saturday. And then Saturday, it'll be all hands on deck, get this thing installed, ready to rip, nice and running, and we should be good to go. We got a nice little mini split installed. So without further ado, we are gonna go ahead and put you down on a time lapse, and I've got to move all of this junk. So see you in a second. Successfully got all the stuff out of my way. Not quite sure there's enough room for you yet, but I'll make sure I get room somewhere in here. The problem I'm running into now is I don't remember exactly. I think it's just insulation behind here. But I'm going to run the wire from the fuse block, the circuit breaker, over here, all the way over to here first. Then I'm gonna go back and I think I'm gonna look at the videos and make sure that there's nothing behind there. And then I'm gonna blow through the outside. Then we can figure out how we're going to wire it outside. So back on the time lapse. We are cooking. Got it all run through the wall all the way to here. Now I think I'm gonna go outside, double check I got nothing on the outside. I'm gonna double check video, make sure I got nothing behind this wall here. Then it's time to drill a hole and see me on the outside. I'll catch you on the outside. All right, that went better than expected. Now I need to figure out how to get these knocked out, put the proper, I don't know what the word is. I got a bag around here somewhere. Clamp connector on here. Then I'm gonna take the whole box, take it outside with me, and then we can mount it exactly where it's supposed to go, run the wiring up in here, and we are good and watertight, ready for Saturday. Not too bad. This is going better than I expected. Fingers crossed it stays going this way. See you in a second. All right, well, that didn't take long. I wanted the smallest knocked out. I got a big old hole. I'm not sure how to fix this. Time will tell. Back to it, I suppose. I have no idea what to do. Good times. All right, it is cold out there, but aside from that, that did not go too horribly bad. I do wish I would have tried to measure a little better. That way the connector actually fits center in that hole. I'm sure I'll figure something out to make that work, but for now it's good enough. Now on to this back wall. We have to mount the head unit and I want to get it centered. So I'm gonna have to measure, do a little bit of math, and then we can hang the template. And then we're good to go and ready for Saturday. I'm excited. This should be awesome. All right, camper's good for something. Not its intended purpose, but something. So got this up there, and then I realized that the cardboard isn't the template I'm supposed to be using. It's supposed to be that black line up there. So got it all down, got the laser reset, and we should be good to go now. Let's see if I can't get close up here for you. We are on the money. So it's just above head height here. Oh, there we go. It'll be just out of the way. Can't hit it on my head with anything or anything like that. So super stoked that I had this laser level. Otherwise, this would have been a much more difficult task. So I think that's where I'm going to end it off for today. I'll see you Saturday when we get this whole thing wrapped up and installed completely. I'm super excited. It's going to be awesome. I can't wait to see it. See you then.